Morning folks, doing a challenge for Benji for the WOC, Pelicans and Pacers in Select. Challenge. The spell is live. List has Adam to Lane. We'll copy that list into the randomizer at 11 AM local time. Adam on top, Lane at the bottom, dice roll 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's 11. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 times Lane on top, one more time, 11 o'clock. Congrats to spot 1. It's Adam picking it up. Had to go 11 times, did go 11 times. Verification code at the bottom. Spot 1 picking it up. Congrats. Challenge complete.